What is the role of community-based organizations in land recycling? Well, let me tell you, working with communities to help them pull together the brownfields projects for revitalizing areas is truly rewarding. We see nonprofit organizations around Puerto Rico revitalizing spaces, creating new public goods and services for the enjoyment of everybody. My name is David Southgate, and I help communities and municipalities recycle land. We're here today in Punta Borinquen, Las Ruinas, in the municipality of Aguadilla on the northwest coast of Puerto Rico. We're here at the former naval facility where a sound surveillance system, Project CCLR, was once installed to monitor undersea traffic, in particular during the Cold War, looking for submarines. The facility opened in 1954 and was later decommissioned in 1976, at which time it fell into disrepair and began to be used for prostitution, drug use, illegal dumping, and the whole area became quite overgrown with tropical overgrowth. Fast forward several decades and enter the organization Rescate Playas Borinquen and their mobilization of hundreds of volunteers and money to rehabilitate this beautiful part of Puerto Rico. They've installed walking paths, lookout towers, and interpretive signing for the future enjoyment and present enjoyment of people who visit this area. Brownfields are typically a challenge for municipalities and community organizations because they look at an empty site and sometimes they see the possibility of environmental problems that may make it really complicated for them to be able to revitalize that area. This is where the assistance for the Center for Creative Land Recycling, or CCLR, comes in. We provide technical assistance free of charge to municipalities and community-based organizations, providing them the know-how, the experience, and sometimes just a leg up to help them move their projects forward.
My name is Torres, Zamora, and I am the president and founder of Rescate Playas Borinquen 501c3 1101 nonprofit organization. The mission of Rescate Playas Borinquen is to restore recreational areas and to protect nature, with the vision of creating Puerto Rico's northwest recreational and ecological corridor, with the hopes of rehabilitating the buildings on site to make a visitor center and a community center open to the general public. CCLR helped us with a targeted brownfields assessment program, an array of things from start to finish, with the application initially to finally receiving our report. This document was important for our organization for several reasons. First of all, it set a precedent that we have been working here for all these years and that we want to move forward. But not to mention the fact that this report gives us hundreds, if not thousands, of pages of information that could be used and educates us in regards to the area and used in the future for grants and other pertinent documents. I felt a bunch of different feelings: disbelief, elated. It's hard to describe because something that you've been working for so many years, for 9 years, when it all happens, you're just kind of in shock. I guess that's how I would describe it. In the future, we would like for these buildings to be turned into a visitor center that are open to the public, highlighting the recreational and protected lands. This would also serve as a community center, the headquarters for the Rescate Playas Borinquen nonprofit organization, a museum, reception hall, research center for biologists, tour guide station, conference room, recreational rent-a-center, restroom facilities, refreshment stand, gift shop, ranger station, nursery, stables, and security.